So the ITF Plus is getting replaced by Tech Plus. Good news is, as of this recording, you still got a couple weeks to take ITF Plus. And even greater news is Tech Plus, which is replacing ITF Plus, is a much better exam, I would say. And it's going to give you more of the actual skills instead of just the knowledge. So if you got a few minutes, 10 to be exact, shouldn't take any more than that, I actually break down the differences between ITF Plus and Tech Plus. Let's get straight into it. So if you ever started something and kind of realized halfway through that it's probably a better way to do this, then that's exactly what CompTIA just did with ITF Plus. And guess what, man? They actually are replacing ITF Plus with another certification called ITF Plus. And I think it's a good choice. Right now, you still got time, as of the time of the recording of this video, you still got time to take the ITF Plus. But in this video, I kind of want to tell you why Tech Plus is replacing ITF Plus. And most importantly, if you're trying to get into tech, with zero experience, why this cert is going to help you, start fast, finish strong, and may even actually help you land a job in this, more AI powered world. So we know that ITF Plus, or if you don't know, ITF Plus was more of a foundational cert, super beginner level cert, and wasn't going to actually help you land a job. Tech Plus kind of weighs a little bit more and leans a little bit more into the skill portion of that, right? So if it's your first time here, I'm Rob, the founder of a Master I.T. and the Zero to IT Hero program, a program that helps everyday people go from warehouse to workstation and from burnout to breakthrough. And the major key of that is a proven roadmap, skill acquirement, and getting the certifications that employers are really looking for. Now, let's kind of talk about CompTIA's latest move. It's pretty much the death of ITF Plus and replacing it with Tech Plus. So if you have been studying for ITF Plus, it is still available right now. They are planning on retiring it sometime this month. So you need to hurry up if you plan on taking it, and not just expiring and something new is coming out. They're literally planning on getting rid of it completely. So let's kind of do this a quick little backstory on who is ITF Plus actually for. So the ITF Plus came out in 2017, and it was meant to be a true beginner cert, a true introductory to technology and information technology cert. It was lightweight, easy to digest, and it was a good starting point for people brand new to tech. But I will say this, ITF Plus wasn't easy. It covered a lot of information, and it actually surprised a lot of people at, the type of topics and how many topics were actually covered. So you would learn, software, hardware, cloud, basic security concepts, and the differences in operating systems and pretty much how to navigate them. So as anything, things change, things get better, worse, however you feel. So in 2025, the game has really changed. So the ITF Plus is slightly outdated, and the faster things are moving, the quicker things are going to become outdated or not relevant anymore, right? So the exam, isn't really reflecting modern tools, threats, and modern just workflows in general, right? As far as ITF Plus is concerned. Tech companies are looking for people with true entry level skills, not just, just knowing shit. You actually got to have the skills, right? Instead of just knowing the definition of something, you need to know what something is, how to fix it, so on and so forth, right? So there's a bunch of students, right, who just simply outgrow ITF, right? So I had a student recently take a Tech Plus, Tamika. Tamika, she actually passed ITF Plus. I told her to skip Tech Plus, but she wanted to take it anyway. And it was different. It surprised both of us, right? She was actually the first person to take it, and it surprised both of us. And she had a lot on her table, a lot on her plate. She's a single mom, got a job, but she wanted to take it just to see what it was like. I was like, okay. And she passed the ITF Plus in 10 days in the program. And she literally told me, like, Rob, this was easy, too easy. I want something else. I was like, okay, let's go to A plus. And she was like, is there anything in between that? I was like, yeah, we can try Tech Plus. You'll be the first, student I've had that went through this part of the program and actually took the exam. And I just told her, you know, ITF Plus is great. If you're just trying to figure out stuff, but I think that if you want something in the interim of ITF Plus and A plus, Tech Plus would be, a good place to start, and it'll really focus on that skill acquiring and that skill asset thing that we talked about, right? So just so you know, ITF Plus and Tech Plus, right? Tech Plus isn't like the new version of ITF Plus. It's literally a whole new exam, a whole new certification, and it covers a lot of the things that were in ITF Plus, but it goes a little bit deeper than that. Some of the things it covers is modern troubleshooting. So not just like theory, but how to actually solve problems, whether it's in Windows, Mac, cloud, Linux, or whatever you're in. It also has a bigger focus on cybersecurity awareness specifically. So whether that's phishing, multi-factor authentication, zero trust, just hygiene on the networks and devices, so on and so forth. It's just real stuff that employers are really looking for, and cybersecurity is always going to be one of those big ones. Also, collaboration tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Slack, Zoom, because support isn't just responding to emails or looking at trouble tickets. It's going to be a bunch of different tools that you're going to have to use and get familiar with, and just different types of workflows. So it's going to have a lot of simulations because ITF Plus doesn't have any simulations. So it's going to have simulations and performance-based questions that mirror actual on-the-job tasks. So that's one of the biggest things that was missing from ITF Plus was actual simulations and actual things to make sure that you knew how to do the job, right? So according to CompTIA, about 69% of employers say candidates lack practical, job-ready tech skills. So Tech Plus is trying to answer that, right? Or just better accommodate to make sure that you can actually do the tasks that employers want you to do. So just to be honest, I've always said ITF Plus wasn't ever going to lead you to a job. Tech Plus isn't necessarily going to garner a bunch of excitement either, to be honest, because one, it's a new certification. Two, it doesn't really show up in a lot of job opportunities and job applications. But the good thing is, above certifications, above that, you will get more skill-based learning, right? If that makes sense. So let's say if ITF Plus was like a middle school elective, right? Tech Plus is like your high school senior project, right? That you need to graduate. It's still like entry level, but you're looking at doing real work. You're getting some hands on and you're learning tools that people are going to actually use. And then, like I said, CompTIA hasn't officially announced a retirement date. They said mid 2025. It is mid 2025 and it's still here, but just know that it's on the way as far as getting canceled. So the new certification, Tech Plus, covers a bunch more skills and it's just better aligned with what employers need and includes more modern technology and concepts, right? So here's just a few different skills that you can walk away with if you apply yourself and if you actually follow a proven roadmap and framework like we have in the Zero to IT Hero program. So you'll be able to diagnose and fix tech problems super fast, navigate common office tools, stay safe, not just you, but your whole organization, and be able to protect, the company from basic cyber threats. You'll be able to talk confidently about tech, which is super important when it comes to interviews and landing real opportunities. Then, you better get certified with confidence because that's one of the biggest things. If you pass Tech Plus, the likelihood of you passing A Plus is pretty high, right? So Tamika passed Tech Plus, and she passed A Plus on her first try. Now, this is just my students. I cannot be for sure that you're going to pass whatever on the first attempt, but just for my students, it made things a lot easier as far as passing A plus. So with AI, the economy shifting, layoffs, things getting weird, it's still people out here winning, man. It's still people out here getting really good jobs, but it's a certain type of people, right? It's a lot of competition, but as long as you're skilled, certified, and can adapt, you're going to have opportunities. You're going to get a job, and your life is going to be wonderful. You're going to be able to work from wherever, right? You're going to be able to be challenged, reach your full potential, and do the stuff that you want to do. So that was that. Tech Plus is replacing ITF Plus. Are you going to take ITF Plus before it expires, or are you just going to wait in the wings for Tech Plus? Either way, long as you're getting started, that is the point. Long as you are moving towards an actual goal, long as you're not just sitting around waiting for me to come take the exam for you or for the damn cert fairy to drop off a new job to you, right? So let me know in the comments which one you're doing. ITF Plus, Tech Plus, A Plus. What certification are you working on right now? And when are you going to pass? Last but not least, October 6th, man. October 6th, 2025 is going to be the last cohort of the Zero to IT Hero program. You can watch the video. I fully explain why this is the last cohort, but I'm super excited to be giving you guys so much game, so much energy, and going out with a bang with this last cohort. So in the description, go ahead and click that link. You can fill out the application once you watch a video breaking down exactly what the hell the Zero to IT Hero program is, if it's your first time seeing me. So other than that, I'll see you in class.